Get ready with us. So, Juliana is sleeping over today, and we're super excited, right, Jules?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, it's really cool. So, my dad is was building a new basketball hoop for JJ, because it was like his an early birthday present. Okay.
So yeah, so my dad was like doing for an early birthday present, and so it was yeah. So it was really fun. By the way, I don't know why. My cousin's very weird.
I'm a character. Oh yeah. Okay, so these eye patches are green. So my grandma came over, right? So she's here for a little bit. Just ignore. Not post 28. Okay. So yeah, we're using the face roller again. Let's talk about my Christmas thing. It's a Thanks for getting ready with us. Bye.